Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are continuing with our SQL journey. So basically, we need to check where we reach in this SQL journey. So that's the first step. So here, customers who bought all products, sorting, we didn't reach sorting part. So monthly transaction, immediate food delivery, game plays, I don't know where we exactly reach immediate food delivery. So we need to go with this problem. Gameplay analysis. So write a solution to report the fraction of players that log in again on the day after the day the first logged in, rounded to two decimals places. In other words, you need to count the number of players that logged in at least two consecutive days starting from their first login date. Then divide the number by the total number of players. So here is the activity table player ID can be duplicate, device ID so also maybe duplicate, and event date 3 1 games played. So fraction only the player with the ID 1 log back in after the first day. He had logged in so that the answer is 1 by 3. Okay, so that's one we need to find out. Write a solution to report the fraction of players that logged in again on the day after the day they first logged in, rounded to two decimal place. So you need to find all the players who logged in after the first day. So in this case, 3 1, 3 2, 3 2 happening just after 3 1. So we are taking that entry. So 1 by 3, total players 3, 1 by 3, and the fraction is 0.33. So the question is very straightforward. How we will do this question. So here we have two choices here. So if I select player ID, so I need to find whether the player is logged on the second day, right? So that's the tricky part here. Let's see how we can do. Then let me start my workbench. Okay, so basically what we can do in this case, we can use the case here also. So you use the case, select player ID, minimum event date as event start date from activity group by player ID. So that with item. Let me let me add that here. So with start start date, start time, or a start date or something. Os. Okay. The this one, what I'm going to do is right now. Oh, I'm doing so many things here. Yeah, we can do later. So right now, okay. So with we can do later. So what we are adding on to with, we need to take into consideration. So what we can do in this case, as usual, we need to take the schema, then copy here, then add semicolon, then run everything. So here I am create is not valid at this position. What's the problem is. So here I'm running this. There is probably another table already with the same name. Top table activity. Lot of mess here. Okay, done. Done. So right now we are fine. Okay. So what we can do right now, the one that we are trying to do inside with close, that we will do here. Select all from. Okay. And what I am going to do, player ID. Okay. From activity. And I need to do by player ID. What exactly I need here? I need two datas. One is the player ID and the second one minimum event date. Okay, so just copying from here, and I can use as it is event start date. So with this, query, I will get all the start date of all the players. Okay, so the player ID 1, player ID 2, player ID 3. So for each player we got it. So right now we need to make it as a with start date. Here. Okay. So I guess there is some errors here. Yes, probably we missed something. No, I didn't miss anything. Say like, okay, I got it. So this will not show. We need the select. So that's all one block of code. Right now, I know how we will do. What we are going to do. So here you need to use a join here. Okay. So basically you got all the event start date with the player here. That's fine. Then you have the actual table on one side. So you need to do a join. So how we will do a join? Select all from is date. We'll provide a name and join activity table a, and then phone is dot player id is equal to a dot player id. Okay, that's all the thing I need to do right now. And if I execute this one, what I'm gonna get all the matching rows, right? We get all the matching rows. So from here you need to use the where clause. Where already there, or I guess we don't need where. Can we directly use and here? Why and? Because th- this is present in both tables, the with tables and also. So this C, not C, it should be S. Then a dot with H. It's equal to 1. Okay. So if I run this, I can't see anything. Why? So def is equal to -1. Okay. So it's not 1, it's -1. So right now I can see the first one. Okay. So 302, 301. So everything is fine. Right now we need only to the fraction. So fraction, how we can do? We need to count distinct C player. Okay. So here I have only one row. So if multiple players coming on this one, we will get multiple players on that scenario. So S dot player ID, and I will give the exact result name here. We will do the other calculation thereafter to make sure everything. So I got one here, and I need to divide that with the select count distinct player ID. Only there is a lot of opportunity for optimizing this one. So here I select, okay, and you need to this one here. So right now what I get, so count this one divided by, okay. So what I can do here, the count should be one element, the select should be the another element, and we are dividing that. And right now the only thing remaining is the rounding into 2 digits. So if we are doing that too, we are good, but we got some issues here. So round starting from here until here. Okay, still we have some issues here. So I'm stopping here. Select, divide, round, count. Everything is perfect, but there is a problem on the end. So let me check. Yeah, here is the problem. So the count is fine. Not fine actually. So the count, this one, okay. So I'm missing one semicolon here. There's only bracket is here. So that's only thing we are missing here, and we got the result and everything working for as expected. Let's see how much. Let's see how long it will take to execute. So 118 milliseconds. So that's not bad. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you on next video. Thank you. So where is my window to close all of this? Okay. So let me close all of these things. It will take a couple of minutes. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching.